What's going on, everyone? Michael here. And if you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step process on how you can get started earning money online, even if you're a complete beginner and if you're not super technically inclined. In fact, all the stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer. You don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use a checklist that I'm going to be giving you for free today that's going to help you get started step by step, everything that you need to start earning money, which includes done for you emails, done for you videos, done for you image posts, and all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we actually drive traffic to things that we get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. Now, if you want all of this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a yes in the comments and subscribe, and I'll actually send you access to all of this stuff right now in a response. So go ahead, drop a yes in the comments, subscribe. You'll get all this stuff sent to you right now for free. Now let's jump into my screen and show you step by step of what's to do. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to digitalplaybook.com. It's also gonna be linked in the description. You're going to just click here, put in your information, and that is what's gonna send you an email with the digital playbook, which is the checklist of everything that I was talking about. So what I would recommend is start with the free course if you're brand new. Free course is going to look something like this, and it's going to take you through everything step by step about the system and framework of what I'm going to be covering today at a high level. So daily checklist, email a day, social media posts. If you ever have any comments, questions, or concerns, always link back to this free checklist. Some other things that you're going to be getting today for free is if you need help setting up this system, you can get a free call with me and my team. Snapshot, we'll go over what that is. Done for you emails, done for you Instagram Reels, done for you long forms that you can replicate, image posts, and then a list of influencers on TikTok and other social medias. So first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here and go to the list of AI tools. There is 130 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote, and most of these have a free trial. Now, the one that I would recommend and the one that I use is Go High Level. This tool is what you're going to need if you're going to want to be able to use all my emails and done for you systems, funnels, and websites. So go ahead, just get this. It's a free trial. And then after the free trial, it's $97. Yeah, $97 a month. And the whole goal is for you guys to get some traction, get some referrals to where you can make money within these first 30 days. So once you get or sign up for the tool, you're going to get taken to what this is, which is a sub account. So a sub account is basically just the back end of your system, where on the left side, we see you have conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities. The three main ones that we're going to be talking about today is going to be marketing, automations, and then sites. So before you do anything, go back to the digital playbook, go over to new resource checklist, and you're going to want to hit import snapshot. Like I mentioned, what a snapshot is, it's basically taking everything that's in my account and it's going to put it in your account. So you have all the emails, funnels, all the automations, everything right inside your account. So once you're going to hit yes, import now, I'm obviously not going to do that because I already did it. And then it's going to tell you to create a new account, and you're going to create the new account, and then it's going to look and pop up something like this. Come up with a name. It doesn't really matter, but voila. So you have everything in the account. Now let's click on automations and get all your email set up, because email automation and following up is the main framework in how you're going to generate sales in business. So when someone clicks on your link for the first time, or let's just take an example of like, let's say you cold call a business you want to sell them something like a software. They're never going to just buy on the first time. You're going to have to keep following up. That's why you hear all these salespeople say the sell comes in the follow-up. So these ones up here, don't even worry about. The ones down here are the ones that you're going to want to worry about as far as getting set up, which is the Facebook comment automation, Instagram comment automation, and then the new email opt-in. So what the new email opt-in is, when someone clicks on your, when someone clicks on your link or they submit a form, it is going to put them in here, which is going to send them emails every day directing them to your affiliate link. Now you might be asking, dang, there's like 70 plus emails. Like, why do I have to keep importing? Like, how do I import this is a bad email. How do I get my affiliate link in there? So there's something called a custom value, to where this parentheses saying, it automatically generates the value you put in there. In this case, all through these emails, you'll see these little hyperlinks. And this is a bad choice right there. So this hyperlink actually is what gives you the free checklist. So let's go back to one of these. Let's go to number 5. So this hyperlink, you'll see it'll say custom value affiliate link. So I'm about to show you once you sign up for Go High Level or any other software or affiliate link that you want to promote, you're just going to enter in the custom value. And then once you hit save, it automatically populates that link. So how you get there is you want to go back to workflows. You're going to want to go to settings. Settings, custom values, and then you're going to want to hit new custom value, put in whatever you want, affiliate link, then enter the value. The value is going to be that link, and then you get create. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine created. Boom, affiliate link, custom, and then this is my affiliate link right here. Alrighty, so you got Go High Level, you got that set up, you got your backend software set up as far as when someone enters in your information, they get put into an email automation. And what I would do starting off is just give them the checklist that I'm giving you, because it's worked. It works. That's why you're watching this video. So next thing, how do you drive traffic? Today's day and age, driving traffic comes from getting eyeballs, and that is from creating content. So what my team and I have done is, if you go to the playbook under IG Reels, we have taken all the top influencers, content creators, whatever you want to say, that create content around, what's it called? That create content around like getting views or building a following, or that have just worked, that have been proven to work. We have taken them and recreated the video and then put them in a drive link to where all you have to do is click on the drive. So that's a bad example because it's a longer video. So what you're going to want to do is, let's see what this one is. So you're able to use these short videos that will allow you to, at the end of the video, it's going to say something like comment AI, and we'll send you the checklist, the link, or whatever. Once they do that, they, get into your system, your automation. So you would download that to your computer. And then what you would do is you're going to want to schedule out a bunch of content so you don't have to keep uploading videos day by day. And luckily, inside of Go High Level, they allow you to schedule out content. So you would need to connect your accounts, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If I wouldn't go and create an account, whichever ones you use, just go for that. Instagram and YouTube are really well. And you would just schedule out content here. Now, what I use is a tool called Radar. You can use Radar, but if you're on a low budget, just use the tool that you're already in, which is Go High Level. So Radar, same concept, is you schedule out these tools where you schedule out this content to send every day on autopilot. What we have here is green, meaning it's already been sent. Red, that means something bad had happened as far as it didn't get sent out. So it looks like I need to reconnect my Facebook right here. It's sent to TikTok. And then yellow means that it's scheduled. So I have content scheduled out for the next week or so. And also I need to go and put some more content in here as well. But that is what you want to do, is get content out. And you have an unlimited amount of resources as far as content. So I'm showing you what I've done. What if you still want to do this framework using AI, but you don't want to use Go High Level as a tool? Like I said, there is a bunch of tools right here. And then let's say, where's the emails? So you would take an email like this, for example, copy it, paste it into ChatGPT and say, I want to promote SE ranking. Write me an email based on this framework about SE ranking. Boom, you have it. I'll make a more in-depth video about that, about how to do that. Yeah, so go to Digital Playbook, and that's how you're gonna get everything for free. And then once you go get here, start at the free course. Start at the free course, literally everything. What is short form content? You know, so I would just stick up here. Join our Discord. What is a sub account? I kind of talked over that. Snapshot, custom values, I went over that. Funnel, affiliate portal, the daily checklist. Daily checklist. One long form video, at least 1 or 2 short form videos. There's other things in the checklist, like send out an email a day, that's going to be automated. But my mentor said this: 1 long form video a day keeps the job away. You just got to create content. The best time to start creating content was yesterday. The best time is now. If you've made it to this video, I got a special offer for you. If you comment ready in the comment sections below, I will personally get on a call with you to set up everything for you and with you. Ask any questions, literally everything for you, with you, because that's what my mentor did, and that's why I've been able to see success. So happy money making, stay focused, and let's get, I need to work on how I end videos, but Mike is out.